Dude, this car has different modes. Look at that, it even changes. Sport mode, smart mode, comfort mode. I like sport mode, dude. Look how cool that is. My new channel I'm setting up. Let's see, let's go to catalog. This is a couple of things I have posted on there for now. I'll be having more posted up here soon. Let's go down to page 2. There's the rock crawler lights. Let's go back. I'll have the keychains posted here soon. The shirts, the stickers. Yeah, I got RC car motors, the light bar kit, just Chevy Suburban wheel speed sensor, Pioneer sub and box, some pre-dip spray. The only thing that's used out of the pre-dip spray is the can for the taillight tint. Everything else is good. This right here, she works. She's completely rebuilt and everything. All these engines work. That works. Everything I'm selling on here does work. So nobody has to worry about that. We go to this page 2. Talk about these a little bit. These are the rock crawlers. Put these in your wheel wells of your truck, and you can climb over anything to be in, be able to see it. So the rock crawlers are pretty cool. There's a set of 4. I gotta go back up here. Then of course I got the headline right here. I love the introduction right here. That's my website. There's the website right there. I'm Shopify. It's a pretty cool little website. I like it. I just had to put some more on there. It looks pretty cool. Not bad for a first website. Let me know what y'all think of it. I still gotta, of course, put more on there. Like, I'm gonna go back to the catalog so y'all can see that. I'm gonna do my own ads and start selling my own merchandise. Like I said, I'm gonna have keychains, shirts, stickers, bumper stickers, stuff like that.